welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'm sharing with you how I made this heart. So I started off by collecting lots and lots of sticks when I was out walking Rudy one day, and I also saved this big cardboard box from a delivery, and that is what I'm going to start with. So firstly I just cut off the front of the cardboard box.
I wanna give you the world that is outside your walls. If I was God, I would save you, take you where you belonged. If I could, I would give something new, then I would have what it takes.
And then once I'd cut that out, I sketched half a heart on this piece of cardboard. And once I got the shape that I wanted, I cut it out.
Yeah, I just need someone like you, someone like you. Yeah, I just need someone like you, someone like you. You don't have to feel like
I then used the other side of the box to trace round that cut out heart so I could cut the other half, so that I knew it was going to be symmetrical.
that you fall. I wanna give you the world that is outside your wall. If I was God, I would save you.
I then stuck both pieces together using lots of sellotape.
Yeah, something new, then I would have what it takes. Make you feel like you're safe, 'cause all I need is.
And then it was time to start gluing on the sticks. So I got my glue gun, and now I will say that I got through a lot of glue sticks when I did this. So I made sure to have a box of glue sticks ready with me as well. So I just firstly did the frame of the heart. So I picked sticks that I thought would fit nicely round the frame to start with. And if there was any that weren't quite the right size, then I could just break them really easily and just get the right size pieces.
'Cause all you need is someone true like you are. 'Cause all you need is somebody. 'Cause all you need is someone true like you are. Someone like you. Yeah, I just need someone like you.
And then once I'd got the frame how I wanted it, I decided which sticks I wanted where for the middle. I just did this bit by bit. I actually found this really relaxing and therapeutic. It took me a long time, but it was really nice to do. So I just went through my bag of sticks and just found the right pieces, the right sizes, just broke them down if I needed to. It really didn't matter too much, to be honest. It was not something that I needed to do neatly. I just tried to make sure there wasn't big gaps between them all, but even if you have some gaps, you can just break off smaller sticks and just fill the gaps in. Really easy.
What it's like to feel your skin, I will keep on trying till you give me a sign. Give me a sign. Oh, give me a sign. Baby, give me a sign. Just give me one more. You leave me hanging, begging for more. Think that I'm addicted to this, can't resist to be a little risky and go for it, 'cause I want you close. I'm so exposed when you're keeping me wondering. You know I'd do anything to be in your arms again.
So once I had done most of the heart, I just went back through and just checked for any little gaps and just broke off little pieces of sticks and just filled in the holes. One thing that I would have done if I did this again would probably to paint the cardboard before putting the sticks on, but it didn't make too much difference.
So give me a sign.
So obviously I think this does look nice just just like that. If that's the kind of rustic look that you want to go for, I think it looks just as good. But I decided to paint mine, and I bought this Rust-Oleum Painter's Touch dark grey paint. So I just took it outside and gave it a fair few layers of spraying. You could obviously use any paints that you want. Maybe if you've already got some, you could use them, and then just really keep the cost down.
Then you pull me back in.
And that is the finished result. It was so easy, and I think it is really effective. So I've decided that I want mine to go on the staircase, so I just used command strips. I put lots of them on the back so that it could be stuck onto the wall, and I know that it's not going to fall down. I mean, it is quite lightweight, to be honest, and how well the sticks are stuck on, there's no way they're going to come off. So I just got Peter to stick that up on the stairs for me, and that is the finished result, and I'm so happy with it. It costs next to nothing, especially if you've already got a glue gun and some spray paint or any paint. And yeah, I am so pleased with it. If you enjoyed this video, I would love it if you gave it a big thumbs up, and if you're not already subscribed, then it would be great if you hit that subscribe button, and I will see you again for my next video, guys. Take care. Bye.